Today we're going to discuss architectural design. Hello, I work for New Republic Architecture, and throughout this video, my goal is to explain how we create or remodel a building. We have a well-developed team, and in conjunction with consultants, engineers, and contractors, together we craft designs beyond our clients' expectations. First, we speak to the client and solidify some goals. Find out what kind of project they need, and from there we find out what elements are most important. Then find out what the codes and regulations apply to our project and how we could improve the existing space. From there, we consult other experts during the design phase, integrating materials and the design elements that meet the client's request while maximizing cost efficiency and space. Once we get a basic information, we draft what's there to get familiar with the workspace. Then we speak to the clients to generate notes and understanding of what goals. When sketching the initial solution, we go over notes, bubble diagrams, and hand drawings. This stage, the client will go over how they would like the building to look and the intent of the spaces. The client will be able to see a representation of the size of the area and how the overall layout will look. This is also allow us to estimate the cost of the building. To make it easier to explain, we have a client that wants us to completely remodel their home and has allowed us to show the development phase. We spoke with the client in depth on what features they would like in their home. They were interested in energy conservation, privacy, two bedrooms with a master bedroom in the back, and a garage. The style they chose was an open, modern concept with natural light, with one of its short sides facing the public street. The narrow lot is sandwiched between two neighboring properties in the densely part of the city. With this info, we know that the space is at a premium. The owner would like to improve the current master bedroom and bathrooms. The house has two underutilized guest rooms in an awkward location of the house. The house has a narrow service corridor that connects the living room to the near courtyard. We feel like we can make the better use of this impractical space by expanding the small kitchen into the corridor. The existing dining room is a prominent feature of the house, but it's devoid of any natural light. So we're adding a garage and small garden and reshaping most of the rooms in the middle of the house. The new main entry will be flanked by a guest powder room, closet, and laundry room on the right, and the left side is the garage, as street parking is difficult. The narrow corridor that goes between the garage and the guest bedroom goes from the front door to the main part of the house. The design is an open concept giving an uninterrupted view from the front door all the way to the garden. On the north wall is the kitchen and living room divided by a half wall. The south wall is the dining room table and the couch, both facing the north wall, making a natural pathway that leads from the garden to the master bedroom that's in the back of the house. Master bedrooms are separated from the rest of the house by the garden and a small covered path. Each of the master bedrooms has its own walk in closet bathroom with enough space for a king size bed.